Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to buy XRP on Luno. So whether you're new to crypto or just adding repo to your portfolio, this step-by-step guide will show you exactly how to make your purchase using the Luno mobile app. The first thing I'd like you to do is to tap the Luno app icon to launch it. Then enter your account credentials, authenticate with your PIN, fingerprint, or Face ID. You need to have money in your local currency wallet to buy XRP if needed. So go ahead and tap on the portfolio tab at the bottom of the screen. Select your local currency wallet from this window, such as Naira, Rand, or Euro. Tap deposits, choose your preferred deposit method, and follow the instructions to add funds. Do you already have a balance? Great, let's move on to the next step. Now from the bottom navigation, tap Explore icon. It looks like a compass. So head over here where it says buy a coin. What would you like to do? Tap on that. Now you have to set up your profile before you see the list of available cryptocurrencies. All right, but if you don't want to go through the step, you can just head over to home, tap on add to list, and XXX. I'm going to go X in this. And they are here. So from this options, you can go ahead and search for we're searching for XRP or repo. So here you go, repo. Got it. So I'm back to home. I've added repo. So tap on repo, and once you tap on it, you're going to see this buy button. Select buy. Now you have to ensure that you verified your account before you can even proceed to the next step. Once you verified your account, I can't do that because of restrictions, but once you verified your account, the next step is to enter how much you want to spend in your local currency. Or you can switch to enter the amount in XRP if you already know how much you want to buy. Then tap next. Luno will prompt you to choose a payment method. Select wallet to pay using your deposited local currency balance. You'll now see a confirmation screen showing, number one, the amount of XRP you're buying, the exchange rate, any fees, and your total cost. Double check all the details, then tap confirm. Enter your PIN or use fingerprint or face recognition to complete the purchase. Luno will display a confirmation message once the transaction is successful. Now head back to your portfolio tab and tap on the XRP wallet to see your new balance. You can now send, receive, or hold your XRP securely. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.